Hi, I'm Dr. Vinit Oswal. I'm a consultant orthopedic surgeon at Vividus Hospital, Bangalore. I've graduated from JSS Medical College, Mysore, and I've done my post-graduation from JJ Medical College, Davangere. I've also pursued my fellowship in joint replacement surgeries and arthroscopic and sports medicine. My main area of interest are in trauma, primary and complex, adult joint reconstructions, arthroscopic and sports medicine, and also pediatric orthopedics. Let's speak about common sports injury and surgery. One of the most common sports injuries are the ACL tears, which happens in contact sports like football, basketball. This ACL tear, not everyone requires a surgery for this. ACL tear, those are in grade 1 or 2, can be managed conservatively. People having grade 3 ACL tear, where there is a complete tear, requires a reconstruction or a repair. So, this repair and reconstruction are done through a keyhole surgeries, also called arthroscopic surgeries. If you are someone who suffers from ACL tear, please meet your nearest orthopedic surgeon and get it diagnosed and get it treated right.